Hello, Kabir. Kabir, your voice is not that much audible.
Ravi, the mother is not audible.
Now it is audible.
Okay. So I'm asking in the last week, the integration that we have done, you guys think on that integration?
Your voice not clear, Kabir.
Yeah, your voice is not clear.
Just give me one. I'm joining it again. Now it is clear?
Still it is breaking, Kabir.
It's clear? No.
Somewhat okay. Just start, Kabir. We will see how it will come.
Okay. So I'm asking, is there be any issue in the integration that we have created last week?
Actually, I have done middle of that when I'm trying to when I'm trying to trace enable, that is not coming into the payload. Okay, we will see after our session. The last 2-3 minutes, we will see the Kabir.
Today, I think Ravi has asked for the agenda of the classes, so I will share the agenda.
Yeah, I only
first
asked.
let
No. I asked. Might be. I asked
You
Madhav.
Yeah, Madhav
So,
also
Madhav-
preparing this.
Yeah.
So today we will do an integration, which will be a data integration. Okay. So apart from that, after today's class, tomorrow we will do an integration that will be a payroll integration. Okay. And after that, we'll do one integration, which will be a user sync integration. So I will share the date wise.
Okay, no problem. Instead of okay, no problem. Just instead of verbally, just share some sample Excel. Then we will analyze what we are. Okay, that's fine.
Sure. Okay, so let me go to
Kabir,
CPI.
Kabir, 1 minute, Kabir. Share what Madhav has asked till now. It will be better for us when we are coming for the class before we can see what is today's agenda and we can write down some, we can Google it
So
about that concept or the project.
after today's class, I will share it. Okay.
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 I'll share in the email.
Okay.
So do you have any idea about what is data integration?
No.
I have idea. Just I will tell you. If it is wrong, let tell me. Delta
So you
means
can
yeah. Delta means what I understood. Suppose we are getting any employee information or invoice amounts, invoice data. Delta means if you are extracting from the source system. Today we have extracted as of today. Means 20th. When we are running tomorrow, we need to run the data from the only 21st data, not 20 data. Instead, correct. If you are instead of providing all the data, need to provide target system to delta data. That means latest
Okay.
data. Like
Yeah, that
what
is you are partially correct, but let me explain in a very detailed way. Okay. My screen is visible.
yeah.
In the first class, what we have done, so success factor was the source system, right? And we have sent data to SFTP. Suppose this client will take this SFTP data and enter in a system. They will upload in a system. Suppose any system you can take. Suppose this is Workday. Okay. people will log in Workday for their work. Okay. So in your company, the people are working, they are already in the SuccessFactor, right? So whenever you have given the SuccessFactor data to SFTP, they have uploaded in the Workday. So now everyone in the file from India female, they can log into the Workday. That is clear because we already have some every detail in their Workday system. They can log in and log out. This is clear? Clear? This is clear?
Yes,
Clear?
yes.
This is clear. Now, suppose there was a person in the SuccessFactor whose name was Pinky Madhav. Okay, suppose that she was so her email was previously pinky@gmail.com. Okay, right? She got terminated. She got terminated on 26, 2026. Okay, from SuccessFactor. So in the last day, you have sent this employee as active in the workday, right? Yes or no? Last day, you have sent this data in workday as an active employee. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, if he is terminated from SuccessFactor, obviously he will not able to log in to SuccessFactor now because he is terminated from SuccessFactor, right?
Yeah.
But this information, this workday, have we flown? No. So obviously she will be active in the workday, right? Because she is not terminated from workday. She is only terminated from SuccessFactor. Yes, right, wrong? Until and unless we will not send this data to SFTP and they will not upload to Workday, she will be not inactive from Workday, right? So in Delta, basically what we do, any information which is changing daily wise, okay? Suppose last time integration has run on 19 and today integration will run also. Last time integration has run at 19, 6/20/26 at 8:30. Suppose some employee was active this time, but when this integration will run at 20/26 8:30, some people got terminated. Some people have changed their email. Few people have changed their some information in the SuccessFactor. So this data between these timings, these are called delta data. Okay, whatever has changed from last run of the integration till the current run. Yesterday it has run, today it will run. We are only sending that detail, not the full load. Okay, this data is called delta integration. It is clear? Is it clear?
Yes, yes. It's updated data, latest updated data.
Yes. So for that, what I will do, see, I am giving you the assignment that whatever we have created the integration, full load, every field. For that, you guys need to do the delta. I am doing a delta integration, but that not with that field, which we have created the full load. You need to create a delta. I am just showing you with a different integration, how can you create delta? This will be your assignment. All right.
Mhm.
Okay.
So now come to this point. I'm creating an integration. But what I can do instead of creating a delta integration with SFTP, I'm today using a different system. Okay, I will inform you what system we are using. We have a SAP Playground in our Okay, are you able to open the learn.sapmate.com in your laptop? Can you please check once? Please check
Give me
it
the
once.
URL, or can you give me the URL? What is that?
I'm saying, are you able to open learn.sapmate.com in your system? This
One
URL
minute. 1 minute.
from where you access the login, from where you access your recording. Just check it once.
Okay, SAP. Okay, SAP Metal. What you have provided? Okay, 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So are you able to see this option? SAP Playground here.
1 minute, 1 minute. We're trying
1
to
minute.
log in.
Have you logged in?
Yeah, we have login. SAP 1 minute. We have a SuccessFactor web API. We don't see any other things.
No, just see SAP Playground. Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir. SAP Playground.
Click on
Under
Okay.
that.
Under that,
no, nothing
no,
is there, sir, under that.
no
Are you able to
instances
see the
yet.
new instance? Can share the screen one by one.
1 minute. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. You want me to create new instance here?
Hmm.
You want me to click that one?
So today, this is a basically kind of, do you know S4 HANA or ECC? Do you know that?
Yeah, EC and S4
So,
HANA, S4 HANA. Yeah.
okay, so this is a kind of mini system like this. So you can create here field, you can create integration directly from this place. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm today creating the delta integration with this system. So later you guys can create here. Let's first see how to create fields here. Then we'll do that. Okay. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
So here, so right now we will create a delta integration. So I'm here giving the name delta. Or you can write SAP success factors delta data. Okay. You can also give description here, copy and paste. Now we need to basically assign fields here. What fields you wanted to create here. So first of all, for delta integration, let's check what fields we require for sending delta data. Do you have that requirement sheet? We'll take not much data from that sheet, but few data. Like we will take first name, last name, gender, marital status, and for few from job. Okay, so let me go to the success factors here in the integration. Just give me 1 minute, huh? I'm getting on call. Hello? Hello? Yeah? हेलो हाँ जी बताइए Okay. I think we already have this integration, right? Where we have taken the fields. I think this is the same integration that where we, acha, yeah. This is the same integration where we have taken the field. So what we can do, we can take all the fields, like for this delta integration, if you have this integration, it will be helpful for us. So we can go here in the duplicate tab. Okay, so I hope you guys have this Excel where we have generated the files. You have that? Hello?
Might be we do not have, we have not generated. Might be if it possible, just share
Okay.
us for understanding.
Okay. I'm sharing the field names. The client, as it is a delta integration, and we are sending to a, let's check that this is, okay, it will go here in the add, and we can go, first of all, you need to create the fields in the, this, at this place. So you can create one by one. So come to this file, which I have sent, just copy first control. And it is a string. It is a, it is, uh, there are two options, whether it will be unique or whether it will be required. So obviously a name can be, for any person, two-person name can be same. So we don't require to add anything. After that, click on the second field, go here. From here, take the second field, gender. It will be also not a unique or required field. Now go to third field. I have given in the chat. It will be easy from copying from here, which is nothing but marital status. Field. Nationality. It is very, very, you will just first let me create the field, then you will definitely enjoy this integration. It's a very good one. So nationality, and after that, to create this personal ID, obviously this will be a unique field. So you need to click on the unique one because two personal ID cannot be same, right? After that, click on add. Now celebration. After that, click on add. Customer effort is done. Date of exit. If possible, you guys can create in your own. You can create one more instance on your name, and you can also create. So date of exit, and this will be nothing but a date, right? So you can, from here, you can take a date. I'll go here. What is the first field after date of exit? Last day work. Last day work is nothing but it will be also a date for it. Click on add. It will be the higher. It will be nothing but a string. That's okay. Click on add. It is also a string. Okay, now it's going to be just check now. I'm not missing any fields. After company, we have department. Sorry. Now, we'll type. You guys are also creating it.
So all fields do not get it, only few some specific.
No. All fields. See, when you're creating a delta full load integration, so whenever you will create delta integration, obviously you need to send all the detail now.
Okay, got it.
This is only one time you have to do this. After that, it will be, you can use this only. Employee type. Employment type. Event. Event reason. Software. Job group. Then after that, supervisor. After supervisor, what will be there? Position. After position, we have regular temporary. Sequence number. Times up. We have taken all the fields. We can delete this one. Okay, let's check once how many fields we have taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So the 26 fields are created now. You have here do you know authentication? So it is asking whether it will be open without any URL, without any user ID and password. You can allow people to hit this API, or you can use API key. For example, uh, system it by system it will be generated, and we have one thing which is basic. So in basic you have to provide username and password. So who will be sending data through that user ID and password, they can observe in this table. So right now I'm taking the basic one. You guys can try this API. So here I am providing as a user ID as a Sapmate, and password is also SAP Metas will be capital. Just keep in the mind and deploy this instance. So now you can see from this table, they have given you the how to call it, this SAP or URL. So you can check. You have to send data in the which format? It is nothing but a JSON format, right? You
Yeah,
have to
just
send in the header what? Application.json, content type equal to application.json. And you need to provide the password. And this is the URL. Here also they have given the URL. Here also they have given the URL. So now let's come to the CPI, do our preparation for CPI. How can we send data to this place? Okay. This is clear,
okay.
right?
You're trying using this endpoint URL. You're trying to update or getting the delta data that will data
Let me show
update
you.
in the okay.
Yeah. Previously, we have sent data to the SFTP,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
From SFTP, people will getting the data like this, right?
Hmm.
Suppose this they have uploaded in a system. Now they have given you an API. They are saying whatever change is happening, send me on this API. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So let's take a 5-minute break. Then after that, we will continue. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let's take a 5-minute break. Then we'll continue.
ఎన్ని స్నాక్స్ లడ్డా
ఏంటది?
Let's go to
okay.
this integration first. So I have created a new package, but I got this integration. So we can do some modification on this integration only. It will work like Delta. So you can go here. From here, you can click on copy. And you can write here. That is code Delta. And from here, SAP SuccessFactors, you have to type space here, SuccessFactors. So it is not to SFTP now. It is with SAP Playground. You can go here, you can click on this. Okay. First of all, so as I told you in the beginning, from last run to current run, whatever change will happen, we will send that data. That data is called delta data. But how do we know when this integration has run last time? Right? How would we know that this integration has run? Okay, when this integration has run, run last time. Any idea?
It might be in the
Any idea?
Integration log last run date.
Deployment, sir. Deployment date.
No, deployment date. See,
No, I
we
think
can go and check deployment date. We can go and check it. We can go and check deployment date. But how this integration will know that when it has run last time? This integration will run, right? Suppose it is running right now. So how it will know that I have run last time on this date and time? So for that,
something you
I'm
need to
telling you
use the persistence.
No. First of all, you understand one thing, how to store date in integration. How to store date in integration. We have already discussed, if you check here, right? Because we were sending this data in the file name. If you can recall, let me show you, if not, if you have forgotten. See, we were using property to date, and this we have stored in the content modifier first one before, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we need to take one more date type format in the in this here. You can go here, clicking on add. You can write last run time. You can get this name. From here, you can take as expression. Acha, you know when to use expression, when to use constant. Sabi?
When we are using from a header like that, we can use its camel function, I think. And constant when the value will not change our hardcode value to send.
Whatever is it is already predefined, like this
Mhm.
date format. They have already fixed it. You have to write like this, it will work.
Okay.
So on those cases, you have to write expression. If you are only giving your, suppose any value, constant value, so 20, 15, 10, then you can use your constant here. Okay. Now, first of all, what you need to do, I'm telling you, you can copy this one. We'll make this only. You can paste it here. So you are here taking year, month, date, hours, minutes, second. So you need to give, you can do one thing. Frankly, with speaking, you can come here. Where is here? You can come here. For now, you can remove this. First, let me show you what you need to store here. So you can go here. In every entity of SuccessFactor, you will have one thing, which is nothing but last modified date time. You can click on select. From here, we are taking M Jota. You can go here. From here, you can take last modify. Okay, we are already taking it. Okay. So just deploy it for once. What value we are getting for on that field? First check that. It normally takes time. It is giving error. I think it is giving SFTP error. Was SFTP is expired. Okay. So now here come here and check. What is the value coming in last modified date field? So here, okay, you just need to copy this value first. Paste it now. So we have already taken that, I think, where we have taken, okay, here, we can paste it here. Now, so date now, year, give a comma, after month, give a comma, after date. Okay, we don't have any comma, we have a T. So you can provide like this, T. Then after that, we have hours, then dot, we have minute, dot, we have second. If you wanted to use this milliseconds, then you can give this dot SSS, dot SSS, otherwise it will be okay if you're not providing it. So copy it. Okay. Now, what we can do, for delta. Okay, so we have write variable in CPI. Write variable is nothing but any value you wanted to store in CPI, you can use the write variable. So you can go here, you can take a write variable, this one. Click here, go to processing, click on add. From here, take expression. In value, you can provide this and you can write last run time. Okay. And if suppose you wanted to use this in a different integration also, you can click on global scope. Otherwise, it would be okay if you're not clicking it here. So now deploy this. Now I'm showing you where we are storing this variable. You can go here in integration and API. You can go to this part, variable. And if you can check here, it has just written, what is the value? What is the value? So value is 2026, 150. This is the time stored by the integration when it has run last time. So, but you can say me that, Kabir, it is saying 150, but right now it is 720, right? This can be a question.
Might be any other time
Let
zone.
me show you. Yeah, it is following GMT time zone. It is nothing but 1:51 p.m. It is normally CPI follow GMT time zone. Okay. All right. Now, so whenever our integration will run, it will write the time. So now you can remove this SFTP. Will not send data in SFTP now. Now, let me show you one thing. First, let me click here. Make it. Okay. Now, okay, now I will take you to the success factor once. Suppose this integration has run just now. Okay. Now it will run in 1 hour. Okay. So whatever change will happen in success factor between this 1 hour from now to next 1 hour, this is delta. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ravi, if you're not understanding it, like, you can ask me.
Okay, sir. No
Okay.
issues. Yeah.
I'm telling you one thing. See, suppose right now we have run this integration. All the data has flown to the playground, SAP playground. Yes. This is clear? Yes or no?
But my question is, Here we have connected SuccessFactors API, but Playground API we have not connected anywhere, right?
No. I will connect. I will
Okay,
connect it
okay.
later. I'm first I'm creating the delta with SuccessFactor. Once we will able to get data
Okay,
in the endpoint, we'll connect the playground.
okay, got it.
Because that will take some time. So I don't want it to go right now there. I want it to come here first to understand SuccessFactor. So right now, suppose this integration has run. Data has flown to, you just hypothetically you will understand this. Suppose playground data has connected here and data has flown to playground. Now, from now to next run, this change will the delta change? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So now I will take you to the SuccessFactor first. So I'm taking any one person from here. Suppose it should be, you can take any person from here only, from this file only. So you can take this person. Okay. So now if you check, this person name is Sumona. What I will do, I will change this person name. Click on edit. Suppose from Sumona, I am making her Suman. If you see here, the last updated by Promote Upadhyay, I am using Promote Upadhyay account. And when 20 June 7:25 IST, right? This is clear?
Yes.
Now, last run time, okay? And this last modified date time. Last modified date time will be always be greater than the last run time. Last modified date time will be always greater than last run time. If you wanted to only pick the data.
Last.
What was the?
Not like that,
See,
right?
Right now, no. Okay, right now you are able to see IST, but don't see IST here. See, this is the GMT time zone, because whenever it will come in CPI, obviously it will behave as a GMT time zone, right?
Okay.
So last run time obviously is less than this last modified date time. Last run time when the integration has run last time. After that, you made changes. So obviously this is the greater.
Yes. No,
Okay.
these changes, system itself done. We have done these changes.
I have just done these changes. I have changed in front of you.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Right. So I'm just sending you this ID also so that you can check it later. Copy. So now come to the integration. So see, whenever you are creating a delta integration, you have to write some logics here at the bottom. Or you can click on select. You can directly go there. Wait, first of all, you need to do one thing. You can come first here. Let's make a, from here, click on add. It will be nothing but and last modified date time. It will be for AMP job only. Okay, it should be, it is what? Greater is nothing but greater than what? With last run time. Right? Now, obviously, it is possible. Like right now, I have changed in name only. Few people can change the job information. So obviously, change in name can also happen because we're also taking data from name, right? And per personal. If you check here, where from where we were taking, we are taking from AMP employment. So we need to take for AMP employment last run time also. We are taking from per person, per personal. So we have to change all the, we have to take all the last 25 details. Anything can change. Job information can change. Personal information like per personal can change, per person can change, AMP employment can change. So we can giving by or we can take data from here. So here, go here, click here. Now you can go to, we have taken for job. Now you can go here. Employment nav. From here, we can take last modified date time, which will be also nothing but greater than L RT. Now you can take N one more or from here, you go here. We have taken for AMP employment and AMP job. Can go above. You take for per personal now. So I think we have to go first where we have to go to employment. From here, we can go to just check here. Here, you can go to job info nav. Okay, no issue. If you're not getting it, just check it here. Company nav or center nav, division nav, AMP field status nav, AMP employment nav. Go here, yeah. We are getting job info nav. From here, just check person nav. See, person nav. From here, take the last modified date time, which is also greater than. You guys are getting what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Be honest. You guys are getting. Ravi, sorry, what Madhav, you're getting.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Ravi, you are getting.
I'm trying to follow Kabir.
Okay, you try to follow. If you find any issue,
Yeah.
let me know. So we have taken for per person as well. Now we'll take for per personal. Go bottom.
So that means all these fields we are getting based on the latest update date, right?
See, if you're not taking anyone, suppose you have not taken per person. So anyone will go because we are taking field from per person, right? We are taking date of birth or these things. So anyone will go in per person, they make changes that will not flow, that will not go to the second system. That's why you have to take all the job entity last modified date time here, which where whatever we are taking, we have to take. So now here we can go here. AMP employment. From here, we can go to person nav. The person info nav. From here, you have to also take last modified date time. And it will be also greater than last greater than LRT. Now you can click on finish. Okay, but this LRT we are taking, it will not work here. I have just taken it because we need to use the filter. Now we have to change this LRT in all the places. So first of all, this, when this is getting written, whenever the integration is coming at the last part, we are writing this, right? Now, we have to get this here somehow. How we can get? So you can click on add. You can write here LRT, anything you can take. From here, you can take local variable because this variable you are writing from this integration. From here, you can go and you can copy the name. So now, what will happen? So when the last time this integration has run, and this date will be written in the CPI. Now, whenever the integration will start running, so on this LRT, this value will be nothing but the last run time when the integration has run. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now let me show you. How this is running. So for now, I am removing this request apply. Otherwise, this integration will give error because last LRTs we haven't. You should write the property to LRT. Now I'm deploying this. Go here. Now, this integration is giving error. At general splitter, but not an issue. Just check at LRT what values we are getting, or you can check in, or you can do one thing. You can don't need to click on edit. Can directly connect this integration. Go here. Now just check. Till here, what value we are getting in LRT. I click on this T, we're not getting the trace data. Till here, just check in LRT what value you are getting.
Okay.
If you check here, it is 150, right? It's nothing but the previous data.
That is last
Yeah.
100.
If you check here now, what is the current data? So it is 25, right? So it is giving you the last time, when it has run last time, it is giving you that time, that data, right? So it is still here, we are getting correct. Now, what we need to write? We can go here, click on edit. Instead of this LRT, we need to write what? So we need to write, wherever the LRT is there, copy it, take it to Notepad++, Control V, So instead of this, we have a replace thing. If you know that, just copy this lardy. We will replace with it dollar property dot LRT. Replace all. So wherever LRT was there, we have replaced it with LRT. Now one more thing. And this end, after this last modified from here, you can take a bracket. Because this, if you check here, till here it is end. Now this will either it can be changed in job, it can be changed in employment, it can be changed in person data, it can be changed in person info data. So that's why you need to take a bracket so that your condition will run in a smooth way. Copy it from here, go here, remove all this thing, paste it. Now save it. Now from the list, take any data, any user ID. What is the name? Debusri Jaswal. Just go here. Okay, well, yeah, close it. From here, from here. From Devasari, we have changed its name to Sunny. Sunny Jaswal. The required field it is asking religion is suppose Hindu. Save. Okay. Now you can go here, deploy this. Obviously, last modified date is change of person info. So just check. We have just made a change, but whether it is flowing here or not. Okay, it has run. At the end, just check. Okay, so you need to click on D, I guess. So here you can go. Data is coming here. Oh, sorry. I think we have not connected this with whole system. We have just connected here and there. Okay, we need to again change because last updated time is updated. Click here. Now change the name again. I need to Lata. Is giving fail bad request. Okay, let's check what is the bad here. Filter. Okay, we can do one thing. You can click on trace once. What value it is getting in Okay, we are getting 20, 26 to 10, 10, 10. That is okay. Okay, now check here.
Update.
Yeah, please tell me.
No, nothing. Something somehow this updated that here they not coming, right? Okay.
Yeah, here expand is after this is select. 26 to that is okay. You can do one. Here it should not give this. Okay, let me check any space or anything has came. That's why it is giving error. Okay, here. Let's check for space. There is any space here. After that, there is last. Or you can take our query and check with AI once. Where is the check here? Acha. It is saying because of that was filter and okay, okay, wait a minute. Do one thing. Just if you're
Somewhere
getting
one
error,
F is there, right? Can you check F something?
where?
Can you go into filter L not here?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
LRT and F. Okay.
LRT is
Yeah,
nothing but
yeah.
this LRT. Wait, let me show you this. This LRT. We have taken. Okay, we do one thing. One by one, try it. Huh?
Mm.
Just try one by. Wait, you will understand. Copy or Control X. Go to this part. Just. So first of all, you take this only. You remove from here. Run this. Control X. Paste it. Just remove this bracket from here. Just check whether this is running or not. If this will run, one by one we will check. Okay, this is also giving error, right? Okay.
Mm.
What is this error? It is also but nothing but bad request. Okay, I got it. Okay, after Control X, just run till here only. Let's just check like this. This is running. I think this is running. Control V. Control C. Space. Yeah, this is running. Now check with this now. LRT. Property dot LRT. Date time offset. Okay, let me run this once. This is running. Now after adding whether this is running or not. After using this, whether it is running or not. It is giving error. Okay. So give a space here. Let's check by giving one space. Okay. Last sometime. And okay, from here, remove this. Go to select now. These are very easy. You just have to understand the fundamentals and you will be able to create these things. Here, click here and okay, now here we have to take nothing but this one. Okay, now I think let me check. Okay, now it's run. Okay, I understood. That time we were using, uh, I think we were using same, right? GE. Okay, we were using GT greater than. Okay, we should use GE greater than equal to. So no issue. You can click on here, go to replace GT with GE. This one. Okay, now click from here, copy from 40. So paste. Okay. Now from here, you have to take one. Okay, now deploy. Okay, now it is running. So now what we will do, we'll go to here and try to change name.
Okay.
Because already we have run that session. So I'm again changing it so that this will appear. So I'm doing H1 for now. Here. Okay, 9, 10.57. Okay, is there anything coming data and data? The right ones. Now from here, okay, it is not coming. You can click on D. That Suman we have changed, right? Suman Chatterjee.
H1 also came. Someone.
The H1 is also came, right? Okay.
What about someone? There are two
Okay,
fields
I'm
came, right?
deploying
One is Suman, one is
all
H1.
the data. All the data is coming for these 2%.
Yeah. Suman and H1.
Okay, now I'm again deploying it. I will check whether I'm again deploying this. It should not come anything right now.
It should not come, right? If you run, yeah.
Yeah, because that is flown already, right? So let's check if it is coming, then there is some issue. We will need to fix that. Okay, click there. So here. Okay, again, Suman and H1 is coming. Okay, so let me think what we have done. So last modified date time greater than this, right? Okay, here you can check. It's from
What we
SuccessFactors.
have given, greater than last modified date, greater
That's
than
what I'm. Yeah,
last run
that's.
rate.
Yeah, it is 17,
But
11.
that is
It is
not
nothing
greater
but.
than, right? That is not. That
Wait,
should be
wait, wait.
less than,
Let me
right?
check.
Yeah.
Let me check. Let me check. So, Suman Chatterjee, if you check the last modified date time, it is 17. Okay, it is for job. Okay, we are not taking it for. Okay, last modified date time. Last run time. It is that, and last modified date time is greater than last run time, right? You are saying less than, right? So in less than, uh, wait, data, right? So
You need to might be put greater than, right?
yeah, we have given the greater than, right? Last
Okay.
modified date time greater equal to last run time.
Yes.
Okay, let me check once. Yeah. Just give me one moment. This is getting updated, right? If you check in the when this is getting updated, is it getting updated? It is getting updated on 7:56. Yeah, every time it is getting updated. And it is right now 2:26. So last and so last run time, suppose it's doing there, last run time. And okay, we will think about it, not an issue. Right now, let's connect the system with the playground first. Okay, we'll think about it, why it is coming. Data, whatever delta is getting
But
changed, it is coming, right?
what you have given, Kabir? What you have given? Last run date less than last update date. What you
No,
have
no.
given?
I have given like this. Last
Okay, can
modified
you
date
just see
time
the
greater than equal to last runtime. So
but
obviously, it's last modified
no,
date will be
no.
always greater, right?
Okay, yeah. After updating only we are running, right? Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, that is condition is fine. What you are doing?
wait,
You
wait,
are
wait,
updating.
wait, wait. Are we using data? No, data structure. We are not using it. Wait. Let me
Data
check
structure
once here.
means the timestamp.
Data store might be because of. Hmm, Suman Chatterjee. So what it is happening, I understood as of now. Last is one else, right? So obviously last run time will be wait a minute. Okay, do one thing. Can we first create this a SAP playground adapter here? Then we can fix it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now, see, if you see here, data is coming correctly. Whatever change is happening, this is coming, but this is not disappearing. That's the problem. So we can fix it, not an issue. Here, if you check, this data is coming in CSV, right? But if you go here in the where we have just created, right? I think click on close. No, not here. We have created here. So, okay. So they are asking data in the JSON format, right? Okay. Now go here. Copy this URL first. Go to the CPI. Close it. Click on edit. Connect this with this. Not success factor. You have to connect with because it is already shown you here. You need to connect this with HTTP.
HTTP adapter.
Connect this with HTTP. Yeah, here. Go here in the connection. Go to the URL. Just check whether it is a get or post.
You are trying to
So you have
create the field, right?
paste.
In the play delta play.
Yes. I will send the data. So it is nothing
Yeah,
but a
whatever
post
the
here.
updated data, we are trying to
Yes.
push the data into here in the playground. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So you have, it is basically, so you need to go here in the CPI, you have to create the credentials. Go here, click on create, play, you can write. User ID is nothing but SAP Mate. It is also nothing but SAP Mate. It is also SAP Mate. Deploy. By this. Now, remove it, put a star. And you have to take a content modifier. Go here. You take the content modifier here. You can take after write variable also, but take before that. Go here, click on add. So there are a few things they have told that you have to give. From here, content type. Application JSON. Now, so they have told we require JSON, not the CSV. So from here, you take XML to JSON. Okay, now we have to remove the what? Suppress the root element. We don't require root element. So now first check here. Deploy this once and check whether we are able to write data here or not. So just check what data we are getting here. See, this is coming here, right? Employee. Do you see this? It should not come. If you check, you will need to remove this because in that, if you check here, they just require like this, right? They don't have anything. These things here. So you can check here after converting the data into JSON. I think it is coming here only, right? So you can, what we can apply so that this will be removed. So employees is coming right here. So you can, okay. And what is coming in here? Employee. Employee, okay. Employee is coming. So you can write a Xslt that will be remove this employee. So here only Everywhere you have to remove the employee, right? What you can do, okay, what you can go here, this declaration, copy it, and you take this to here. But if we remove this also, wait a minute. If we remove like this, you can write a movie script after the goes here. Removing declaration XML. Employees, employee, right? Now, after this, we'll get text, right? And here also it is kind of like this. So you can go here directly, write a Groovy script to remove so it has giving you the Groovy script, which will remove. No, you need to hit remove. Okay. So now this has given you the Groovy. So what it will do basically, just copy this and check whether it is as per our expectation or not. Go here. Now deploy. Okay, again, it is giving error. Let's check what has changed. What is coming after this? Okay, it is coming like There are two things are coming, right? I think you, what is the error here? Can you check what is the error 400 code meaning?
Not found, right?
400.
Not found, I
Not
think.
found. Okay. So I guess in this system, you cannot send data, two data at same time. You have to send one by one.
You mean
You
two
understood?
records?
One, two records will send go one by one.
One by one
Means
means
if you don't understand,
yeah,
let me tell you.
you need to
So
put some loop thing
yeah, yes. Here we have used gather if
in
you
the
know that,
message
right?
might be again need to put some message mapping.
No. You don't need to do anything. You need to just remove this gather from here. Let me refresh this.
Okay, I think one by one instead of
So these things, in many system, this is they don't accept data in full. They have to send one by. If there are 30 data, it will go one by one. So I'm removing gather from here. Let's check now. There's a thing here. If it is stop, no, don't stop in exception. What is that? There, you're saying employees line number 10. Okay, let's check what is the payload coming here. Seven test us. Is there any data coming here? There are no changes here. Implementation. Someone is coming. Okay, wait a minute. After someone, I think we don't need this declaration as well. Let's now check. This time it has, I think. Let me check. It's correct. But what is data coming? Why it is coming like this? I know this one is coming in my head. Okay, wait a minute. Still here, what data you are getting? It is coming like this copy. Now, if we go here, you need to remove this site. This time it should go right. It is correct. Four 22. Let me check. Addresses. This time data is correct, but let me check. Header is going. Yes, that header. Content type, it is going. You can just pass this header. You don't need to pass anything else. Copy. Click on edit. Post we are doing, and deploy this once again to here. Okay, so you know why this is not upsetting? Anyone has any idea?
What is that?
Why this is not getting upsetted? We are sending the
Upsetting.
payload in a good, means this is not going into the API. Any idea? Because
Any permission, any access?
no. See, few fields are empty here. You see,
Yes.
Yeah.
so
Some
we
of
need to
them is
write a
blank.
condition. Yeah, you need to write a condition. If it is blank, it should write any value like null, so that
Mhm.
system will understand. Okay, it is a
Something you need to pass if it is blank. Okay.
yes. Yeah. So for that, we need to write a condition in the message mapping. Okay, and we need to pass this. So there are 26 fields, I guess. So do one thing. We'll continue this integration tomorrow for 10-15 minutes. And that also that I think that problem now we observed that data is not getting vanished. So we'll also check that. Okay. So till
Get
here you guys
condition,
can
right?
complete. Yes. Till here you can check, create the integration. And I will also write in all the fields that null condition in message mapping. So I think it will search.
Okay.
If you don't understand that, let me show you through Postman. Give me 1 minute. Copy it. Copy this data. From
Okay.
Postman also you can try.
Pushing to
Uh,
Postman. Okay.
yeah. Let me show you. From Postman it will upsert. If you will write null, wait, go to body. From here, paste it. Or you can do one thing, copy. Go here in the chat GPT. Tell him wherever it is empty, write a null. Let's see. It has written null. So you can copy this payload. Go in Postman. Paste it. From here, you can copy the URL.
Even if you pass blank postman also, it will not take, right?
Yeah, it will not take. But let me show you first with giving null, and then I will show you the same without null. So from here, even you can write basic. Password was same, Sapmate, and try to send it. See, it has created. If you check in the here, see, whole table has created here. Let's see. Suman Chatterjee, Female, nationality, everything is coming here, right? If you are asking whether with this it will create, you can go here, give it. Okay, no, not here. Go here. Paste. Send. So it is giving error, right? So wherever the empty fields are there, it asking, okay, gives anything like must be a valid date. Wherever date is there, it should be a date. Might be date can be empty. If it is active employee, how you will send the termination date, right? Only there is a term date is there, then only you will send, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you will complete this integration tomorrow. So till here, you guys can check this integration and let me know if you find any problem, anything. You can ask me 10 times, 20 times, whatever you want. We'll discuss it. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you. It was a very good class and good night. Bye bye.
Thank you.